Good morning, Class 5-3. Mr. Waterman here with today's Language Arts lesson in Period 1 on Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. I hope everyone is doing safe and well. We are going to start a new unit today on possessive pronouns on pages 141 and 142. Before we begin, we have test answers to go over from our test yesterday. We had a test on subject and object pronouns. Time to go over the answers. So on page 139, we had to read the first sentence in each set. One of the four sentences that follow it correctly replaces the underlined words. It said to circle the correct sentences. Number 1. Our goat, Annie, lives in the small barn behind our house. The correct answer should be D. It lives in the small barn behind our house. Number 2. Annie eats breakfast with my family every morning. The correct answer should be A. She eats breakfast with us every morning. Number 3. Dad listens for Annie's hooves tapping on the porch. Remember, hooves are feet. The correct answer should be B. He listens for them tapping on the porch. Number 4. My parents feed Annie a mix of different foods. The correct answer should be they feed her a mix of different foods. D. Number 5. Goats will eat anything you give them. The correct answer should be D. They will eat anything you give them. Once again, the answers are number 1, D, number 2, A, number 3, B, number 4, D, and number 5, D. Page 139 is out of 5 points. Looking at the answers for page 140. We had to look at the pictures, we had to proofread, circle the mistakes, and rewrite the sentences correctly. Okay, so we had to do a little bit more here. Number 1, what do yous know about goats? Yous is incorrect. Let's circle that. Them have lived with we for a long time. Them is incorrect. We is incorrect. People herded it as far back as 12,000 years ago. It is incorrect. So now when we rewrite number 1, it should be what do you know about goats? They have lived with us for a long time. People herded them as far back as 12,000 years ago. Okay, that's how you correctly write number one. Number one, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points for circling the mistake and writing the sentence correctly. So that's out of 5. Number 2, explorers took goats on long ocean trips. Them is incorrect. Kept they, that is incorrect, for fresh milk. Them is incorrect. Found it was easy to take care of it is incorrect again. Okay, let's rewrite. Explorers took goats on long ocean trips. They kept them for fresh milk. They found it was easy to take care of them. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points for this one. Number 3, a goat will not really eat a tin can. This goat is just testing its. That is incorrect. Them is incorrect. Are curious about they is incorrect. Okay, let's rewrite. A goat will not really eat a tin can. This goat is just testing. We have more than one can, so it should be them. They are curious about them. Okay, so for this one, you had 3 mistakes to circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 points. Okay, so for this page, you have 5, 10, you have 14 points. Out of 14 points. 5 points. This test is out of a total of 19 points. And hopefully everyone did well. If you have any questions, please feel free to email Mr. Waterman. Now, let's move on to today's lesson. Possessive pronouns. Please listen very carefully as I read each point, and of course, read along. Point number 1. A possessive pronoun takes the place of a possessive noun. It shows who or what owns something. Point number 2. Some possessive pronouns are used before nouns. These include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Please listen to the directions. Write the possessive pronoun on the line. Okay? I am going to add another direction here. I want you to circle and write the possessive pronoun on the line. Please listen as I read each sentence and read along. Number 1. Riverbank State Park in New York City is famous for its carousel. 2. Milo Motola told people about his idea for the carousel. 3. He asked his art students to draw animals for the carousel. 4. Their designs were used to make the carousel. 5. Our class plans to take a trip to the park. 6. Lily wants to see the animal designed by her cousin. 7. My mother told me to take a picture of the carousel. 8. Will your class go on any trips this year? 9. This is the first trip for our class this year. 10. My father is going on the trip with us. Let's do a few together. Number 1. Riverbank State Park in New York City is famous for its carousel. Our possessive pronoun, its. I circle it, and now I will write it on the line. I-T-S. 2. Milo Motola told people about his idea for the carousel. My possessive pronoun, his. H-I-S. Number 3. He asked his art students to draw animals for the carousel. Number 3 again is going to be his. H-I-S. Number 4. Their designs were used to make the carousel. Number 4. There. T-H-E-I-R. Okay? Please do numbers 5 through 10 on your own. For extra practice, use possessive pronouns to write descriptions of your favorite animals. I want you to do 4 sentences. Okay? Here's an example. My favorite animals are cats because they are smart. And my possessive pronoun is my. Okay? When you're finished with page 141, please turn to page 142. Please listen as I read the point in the box. Some possessive pronouns can stand alone by themselves. These include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. Listen to the directions. Read the sentences and the possessive pronouns in parentheses. Write the correct possessive pronoun. I'm going to read through each one and each choice. 1. The students in our class are designing carousels. The students in ours class are designing carousels. 2. I am almost finished with mine. 3. Did you finish yours? 4. Nina and Nick showed me their designs. 5. Nina used dinosaurs in hers. 6. Nick put only birds in his carousel. 7. I liked both of theirs. 8. Each carousel had its own style. 9. Your carousel would be different from anyone else's design. Yours carousel would be different from anyone else's design. 10. All of our are different. All of ours are different. 11. I hope the teacher likes mine. 12. Our class has worked really hard. Ours class has worked really hard. Let's do a few of these together. Number 1. The students in our class are designing carousels. Number 2. I am almost finished with mine. M-I-N-E. 3. Did you finish yours? Y-O-U-R-S. 4. Nina and Nick showed me their designs. T-H-E-I-R. Number 5. Nina used dinosaurs in hers. H-E-R-S. There we go. Please do numbers 6 through 12 on your own. And that's it for today's lesson in period 1. If you have any questions, please feel free to email Mr. Waterman. And I will see you all in just a few minutes for the period 2 lesson. Bye-bye for now.